Right now, an AI is writing someone's email, designing someone's product, generating code for a startup, and helping a company make a decision that affects thousands of people. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't get tired, and it doesn't need instructions the way traditional software does. That technology is called generative AI. It doesn't just analyze data, it creates. How can a machine create something new? When ChatGPT writes an email, when an AI tool creates artwork from a prompt, when GitHub Copilot suggests code. That's generative AI in action. Unlike traditional AI that predicts or classifies, generative AI produces something new based on what it has learned. In the next few minutes, you'll understand what generative AI really is, how it works behind the scenes, and how cloud platforms run it at global scale. At its core, generative AI is powered by large neural networks called foundation models. Think of them as students who have read billions of books, articles, and code files. They learn patterns, how sentences are structured, how conversations flow, how images are composed, how programming logic works. One of the most important technologies behind this is the transformer architecture. It allows AI to understand context, not just words, but relationships between words. For example, if you type, "Write a professional email declining a job offer politely," the model doesn't search the internet. It generates a brand new response based on learned language patterns. After pre-training, these models can be fine-tuned. For example, a legal firm fine-tunes a model on legal documents. A hospital fine-tunes it on medical terminology. A bank fine-tunes it on financial policies. That's how generative AI becomes specialized. Generative AI is not just chatbots. It spans multiple domains. Text generation, used in customer support bots, report summarization, content writing, automated documentation, for example. An insurance company uses generative AI to summarize 200-page claim files into 2-page reports. Image generation, which is used in marketing creatives, game design, architecture visualization. Like an e-commerce company, generates product background images without a photo shoot. Code generation, which is used in software development, test case creation, debugging assistance. Like developers describe a feature in plain English. AI generates the base code structure. Audio and speech, which is used in AI voice assistants. Audiobook narration, voice cloning for customer service. Multimodal AI, handles text plus image plus audio. Together, like upload an image, then ask AI to describe it, translate it, and generate a caption. This is where generative AI becomes transformative. These models are massive. They require high-performance GPUs, large storage systems, scalable infrastructure. That's why they run on cloud platforms of Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud. Azure provides Azure OpenAI Service to integrate large language models, like a corporate organization integrates GPT models into Microsoft Teams to summarize meeting transcripts automatically. Azure provides secure enterprise environment, model deployment APIs, responsible AI monitoring tools. Amazon Web Services provides Amazon Bedrock to integrate large language models, like an online retailer uses Bedrock to generate personalized product descriptions at scale. Bedrock allows access to multiple foundation models, secure data integration, serverless scaling. Google Cloud provides. Google provides generative AI through Vertex AI to integrate large language models, like a media company uses Vertex AI to generate multilingual news summaries in real time. Vertex AI enables model tuning, multimodal AI, deployment pipelines. All three platforms provide infrastructure plus APIs, plus governance, plus scaling. Now let's go deeper into real-world applications. Enterprise productivity. Large organizations use generative AI to draft contracts, summarize meetings, generate executive reports, for example. A consulting firm saves 30% of analyst time using AI-generated first drafts. Customer support automation uses AI chat systems to to handle repetitive queries, generate troubleshooting steps, escalate only complex issues, like an airline uses generative AI to handle booking changes during peak travel seasons. In software development, generative AI assists with writing boilerplate code, suggesting optimizations, creating documentation, generating test scripts like a startup reduces development cycle time by using AI for initial scaffolding. In healthcare, AI helps to summarize patient records, draft medical notes, generate treatment explanations, like doctors use AI-generated patient summaries to reduce paperwork time. Marketing and content creation uses AI to generate blog posts, social media captions, ad variations, personalized emails, for example. A digital agency creates 100 ad variations tailored to customer segments. In education, AI creates practice questions, explains complex concepts, generates adaptive learning material like students receive AI-generated personalized study notes. This is not replacing humans, it is augmenting human productivity. But generative AI comes with serious challenges and risks. Hallucinations, where sometimes AI generates confident but incorrect information. Like a chatbot, invents a legal case citation that does not exist. Hence, human validation and grounding large language models with verified data is mandatory. Bias in models reflects when models trained on internet data reflect societal bias, like AI generating biased hiring language. So bias detection testing and fairness evaluation becomes mandatory. Data privacy to ensure sensitive data is not leaked into model outputs. Like healthcare systems must protect patient information. Intellectual property safeguarding for cases where AI-generated content may resemble copyrighted material. So a clear content governance policies to protect intellectual property needs to be implemented. Cost and infrastructure is an important consideration, since large models require expensive GPU resources. Cloud platforms manage scaling efficiently, but cost optimization remains important. Security risks with AI-generated phishing emails or deepfakes. To efficiently manage models, organizations must implement monitoring AI detection tools and governance frameworks. Cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, and Google provide content filtering, responsible AI tools, monitoring dashboards, enterprise security compliance. Generative AI is powerful, but it must be controlled responsibly. Generative AI is transforming how we create, build, and automate. It learns patterns from massive data, generates new content, runs on cloud-scale infrastructure, is powered by Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, must be governed responsibly. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step into the future of AI. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up.